conversation between Marshals and GTCC started and involved me about 1.5 years ago. We have a proven track record with these customers. Marshals also in discussions understand we're quite flexible in our program. We can adapt to their needs as well. So the course is 10 weeks long, 5 days a week, an 8-hour day the guys will be putting into this.
My first week has been challenging for me. Reason is what I'm going through right now is something I haven't really been practicing on in my aviation career. It's been a challenge for me, but yet it's awakening me also. These skills are still in me. GTCC, this program, is honing me to them.
I worked on the C-130 airframe in both the Marine Corps and the Air National Guard, so that's kind of how I tie into Marshall. By no means am I all-knowing. I mean, there's so much room to grow and learn more, and even enhance the skills that I already do have. This program really helps people to do that.
2 days in, we were already joking and laughing and breaking the ice, feeling comfortable with one another. So our camaraderie is not necessarily the military, it's the fact that we've engaged in something new.
The faculty members have just such an abundance of knowledge and experience, and they're all really eager to transfer that on to the students. So now that we are at the end of week one thing that I can see is going to be very valuable for myself and my current teammates and future students is just having the opportunity to get their hands on the equipment, the tools. Somebody reading from a book telling you how it's supposed to be is a world of difference from actually putting your hands on it. That sticks.
Something I appreciate about this program is the fact that Marshals is located at PTIA, and the clientele, the students that come through the program, will remain here and promote the economy of the Triad area.
I want to be here. I want to be here with these people, with these guys in this classroom, and I'm excited. I like to say stoked. Yes, a new word I've learned. I'm excited about where the future is going for me.